Every Wednesday night, hang with young Dylan.
I'm back on top.
And the Thundermans.
Dusty!
Murphy. First, chill out with the new Thundermans Undercover.
I know you'd be lonely.
Not lonely.
Well, I am, so let's get this party started.
Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following Montana counties: Lincoln. Effective until March 5, 8:57 a.m. Public safety announcement. The Lincoln County Sheriff's Office is actively looking for a suspect last seen on foot in the area of Highway 37 mile marker 16. Subject is a white adult male with brown hair, blue eyes, 5 feet 10 inches and 170 pounds, wearing a dark hoodie and blue jeans. Please avoid the area and use caution as the male has a violent history. Do not approach. Please call 911. Thank you.
At Olive Garden, we go a little over the top for oven-baked pastas, with dishes so cheesy and toasty, like our new limited time manicotti, starting at $12.99. All to make a night out cozier than staying in.